Samsung should really consider hiring this Reddit user for making those One UI 5.0 Dream Widgets. Let's see how to get them. Apps we need to download: KWGT widgets and One UI KWGT. Links will be in the description down below. After downloading and installing, now go to Widgets and find KWGT and choose 1:1 size. Now we can resize it. Now click the widget and under Installed Packs, here you should see One UI KWGT. Now find your preferred widget and click the Save button. Now go back to home screen and the widget should appear. Repeat this process to set other widgets as well. I really think Samsung should implement this design on One UI 5.0. What do you think? Let me know in the comments down below. And if you want to get this iOS 16 Luxury style, then I highly recommend to check out this next video.